guys, it's me, Annabelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami bunny. By the way, this is my bunny Snowball. Okay, now let's get started. For this project, you'll only need a square piece of origami paper. Now take your square piece of origami paper and fold it in half. Now you're going to open your piece of paper and fold the two sides to the middle. Now you are going to flip your piece of paper over and fold the two corners to the middle crease line. Once you have your triangle bottom, you're going to fold the triangle bottom up so that the flaps are facing you. Now you are going to open the flaps of the triangle and take both ends and open it to crease it. Now you are going to bring the bottom piece to the next crease line. Open it back up and fold the two bottom corners to the middle crease line. This step is a bit tricky, but what you're going to want to do is bring the flap down and bring it back up again to crease. Now you're going to make the nose of the bunny by folding the pointy corner a little bit down. Now follow the big crease line of your creation and fold it in half. Now you are going to fold the body of the bunny down so that the head of the bunny aligns with its back. Now that you have a bunny shape, you are going to open it up and fold down the head. Now you are going to turn the layout of your bunny over and take the middle crease line and fold it so that the head of your bunny is standing. Now you are going to fold the ears inward on both sides. To make the tail of the bunny, you are going to fold the top right corner down to make a crease line and fold both sides inward. Now you are going to open your bunny and fold the middle crease line inside. Bring it back out a little bit again so that you can get the tail of your bunny. Now that the tail of your bunny is done, you are going to make the legs by folding the bottom corner up so that you have a crease line, and you're going to open it back up and fold the legs inward. If you want your bunny to have dimension, you can fold the ears of your bunny a little bit down so that it replicates a real bunny's ears. Lastly, fold the two pointy corners near the bunny's head a little bit inward so that your bunny looks more round. And that's how you make an origami bunny.